So earlier I was talking about like favorable conditions, and according to the weather service in Birmingham, it looks like we're between a enhanced and slight, and I would agree with that from what I'm seeing. Definitely high winds. I've been feeling the winds. So I think the possibility of a tornado, yeah, there might be a possibility from what I've seen so far, but it's saying like thunderstorms with a chance of it. So we're between the slight and enhanced, so we're right there on the cusp where I am. Like, there's some interesting movements going on. Like, to me, that's the north, south, east, and west. When they talk about wind blowing, I actually had to look that up because they say it blowing from the east or whatever, so that means going that way or vice versa. Yeah, it looks like it's all going the same direction now. But if you, like, I can look at the trees and things like that to determine that the wind's blowing a little differently. That's a big oak tree that's swaying. And they did advise to seek shelter, so I would advise that too. I mean, there's stuff flying around. I mean, look at them. That's an oak that's moving. Those are pines swaying over that way. And that's normal pines to sway, but oaks to move like that, it's some wind. You can see, it's just weird how it's moving. Different directions, it seems. Compared to the, yeah, I'd say we're in a slight enhance by the way the clouds and stuff are moving. We got some big old trees that are moving out here. Ooh, we got hardwoods moving and softwoods moving. They're not really swaying much because the wind died down. Big old oak tree swaying, shoot. So at times we're having very high winds and at times it dies down, but being on a farm, I can actually walk around and look at the animals and see what they are doing. There's some stray cats that are coming through. So the cats are out. I don't know if they're trying to find a place to hunker down or if they're just what they're doing. Yep. Oh, it's blowing some stuff around over here. Yeah, it wind's pretty strong. So the pigs are up, hunkered down. And the pigs hunker down. And they're usually out. Yeah, they stuffed up under that thing. Ken. If they're pets, they're not even wanting to move. Now they're in a cage, a coop, so. What are you doing, girls and boys? Well, every time they see me, they think I have a treat. Look, there's one hanging off right there. Look. That's gonna blow off soon. Yo! Stray cats out here. Maybe they're feral. Well, okay. It kind of sort of appears to be evening out, but the clouds are now heading towards the true south, the actual south-south. I really think everything's kind of clearing up now. Over to the west, over towards the east. It's kind of looking like things are going to even out. It kind of looks a little weird right there. It's like some are moving one way and some are moving another way. But there's like no shelf, no wall, no rotation. Just funny moving stuff out there. I mean, those are moving and you see they kind of move in different directions. Now that wind blew a different direction. Well, we can sit out here and watch clouds move, but I don't think there's really anything that's going to be forming. Anytime soon. Alright, we've seen enough. If something changes and it's light enough for me to record, I will, but I don't think there's really much out here right now. Just funny looking clouds or scary looking clouds that aren't really doing anything.